up. Don't use seam ripper until you have watched this video to the very end. I know. Manufacturers designed this tool with the best of intentions. But if you don't use it correctly, it can land you in serious trouble. However, when used the right way, seam rippers can become a tailor's best friend. If sewing seamlessly is your goal, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Before I show you the fastest and the most effective way to use this tool, let's talk about the common mistakes many people make using seam ripper. The first one is picking threads one by one. Some people use seam ripper to pick threads individually like this. While it might seem correct, it's actually a waste of time and it isn't much different from using a pin to remove stitches. So that's not the right way to remove stitches with the seam ripper. Another common mistake is starting from the middle of the fabric as you're seeing it here. This method is very risky. Not only does it take time, but it can also tear your fabric apart like this. And you don't even want to start thinking about the trouble that this might get you into, especially if you are working on the client's fabric. Now, let's talk about the correct way to use this magic tool called seam ripper. First thing, positioning is very key. Ensure that the sharp pointed tip goes under the seam you want to rip, while the part with the red dot stays on top, like you see me do here. Did you know that the curved middle part of your seam ripper is actually the sharpest? Make the best use of it. That's what helps cut through stitches quickly and smoothly. So glide through the seam effortlessly. Place the sharp middle section directly on the thread and run it through the stitches like so. See how fast that is? Plus, this technique keeps your fabric intact so you can work with precision and confidence. You can get high quality seam ripper on Amazon if you're in the US, UK or Canada. And you can use my affiliate link in the description box. It's the same type I use, and purchasing through my link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. Did you find this tip helpful? If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. For more sewing tips and tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion.